Hey everyone, Wyatt here from Delveio Consulting. Over the years, we've had clients coming to us saying they cannot integrate Microsoft Office 365 with Zoho CRM. Today, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly integrate both these applications. This will make your email management super efficient. So let's dive right in. Once you've logged into your Microsoft Office 365 account, go to the admin section. Once you've clicked on the admin section, click on users, active users. Click on the active user you'd like to enable SMTP for. Once you're in the active user, click on Mail. After that, click on Manage Email Apps, and then click the checkbox that says Authenticate SMTP and save the changes. Head over to Zoho CRM. On the top right hand corner, click on the wrench icon or the gear icon, which are settings. Under channels, click on email. Under email configuration, click on email and get started. Click on the Office 365 icon and click on Configuration. Enter in your Office 365 credentials. And once that's done, scroll to the bottom of the page, click on Server Details, and then click on Store Set Messages on the server. Click Update, and you've successfully integrated Microsoft 365 email with Zoho CRM. And that's it, easy, right? Now your emails are fully integrated. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Zoho CRM tutorials. Thanks for watching.